You were taught a lie. You were told, work hard, stay honest, and you'll succeed. But if hard work alone created wealth, farmers, teachers, laborers, and nurses would be millionaires. Today, I want to explain why hard work alone won't make you rich and what actually does. Number one, why hard work is overrated. Hard work is important, but it's incomplete. Hard work without direction, ownership, leverage only leads to exhaustion. Most people are working hard within systems that poorly reward them. Number two, the difference between effort and value. The world doesn't pay based on effort, it pays based on value and scale. If your income depends on your physical presence, your daily energy, your time alone, then your income has a ceiling. Financial freedom comes when your effort creates ongoing results. One action pays you multiple times. Number three, ownership changes everything. Employees trade time for money. Owners build assets. Assets include businesses, skills that scale, investments, intellectual property. Ownership doesn't mean quitting your job tomorrow. It means slowly shifting from earner only to earner plus owner. Number four, leverage is the secret. Leverage means using systems, technology, capital, skills. One YouTube video can reach thousands. One digital product can sell repeatedly. One investment can grow while you sleep. Hard work plus leverage creates wealth. Hard work alone creates fatigue. Number five, practical shift. You can start today. Ask yourself, how can my effort last longer? How can my work reach more people? How can I own part of what I build? That shift changes everything. In closing, hard work is the engine, but systems, ownership, and leverage are the steering wheel. Subscribe to Financial Freedom Hub because here we don't sell fantasies. We build freedom the right way.